Hello everybody, I'm going to start this video first by saying I do monitor my channel and I moderate all the comments, so any of you snake oil salesmen or people that are trying to profit from other folks' misfortune, don't bother. You're not going to make it on my channel. Now the problem I've been having was I've developed a bad case of tennis elbow in my right arm, and if anybody's watching this outside of my normal viewers, you're hunting for relief or you wouldn't be watching my video. Mine got to a point where the pain was so bad I just really lost use of my hand and my arm. I could not bend it without slinging it up. You might as well have just taken it off because it was useless to me. I couldn't use it, and I've been doing a lot of work around my house and things of that nature, so it's really been putting a cramp in my style, so to speak. So I was looking around, watching a bunch of other videos and trying different exercises and massages and things of that nature, and nothing was really working for me. And I was watching some random video which was another snake oil salesman. You know, it sounded good, and then at the end, hey, visit my website. Then they want some money for the answer. Shame on you guys. That's what I have to say. So I'm going to point everybody into a video I finally found after I read one little comment in the comment section, and it pointed me in the right direction. There's a doctor who's put up about an 8-minute video. It's very informative. I started doing what I read in the comment and then found his video yesterday, so I haven't done everything in his video yet, but I'm going to go ahead and describe it. Anybody who has the problem knows it. You can see now, just after 2 days ago I couldn't even move my arm. Now I'm not saying the pain's gone, it's not, but it's just nagging right now. But I could work, I can use it, while a couple days ago I couldn't even lift the weight of my own arm. Very, very bad pain. And anybody who hasn't experienced the pain, you don't want it. That's all I can say. So basically what it amounts to is doing a massage starting right behind your wrist and working your way up to your elbow, in between this muscle group right here, these two muscles, and in between the bones on your arm. And what I'm using for that is just coconut oil. It's just something my wife had around. You can use lotions, whatever, but you basically start in with your thumb and start working up here, and at each pass, you know, you slowly work a little bit harder and deeper, and you will get to spots that are real tender. Like right there is a real tender spot for me. I'll linger around in here for a minute and then move on, and each time I feel one of those, I will stop. Now right about here I'm starting to feel a little bit of pain, so I'm just going to lighten up and go over that spot. And basically what we're trying to do is break up the adhesions down through here and lengthen this muscle, because it's so tight it's putting too much tension on the ligament back here, and it's tearing it away from the bone. And the area of pain is like right here, right there. So that's basically what you do there. If you start feeling your bones, don't press real hard on them, because you can do some other damage and cause more pain. Reference his video. I'll put the link in the description. Post doing that, you can take a ½ cup of water to 1 tablespoon of Epsom salts. Soak a gauze in it. I just picked this up, so this is the part of the therapy I have not done yet. Get it saturated, wrap your arm, making sure to cover this bony spur down here, right in the gap, about this much. And then maybe tape it on or cover it with a washcloth and tape that on. What I'm going to be doing is the gauze, I will put a wrap of cellophane or saran wrap around my arm, and then I'm going to put a loose ace bandage around that. That's just the way I'm going to do it, and then you go to bed. Now there's an exercise that you need to do as well, and I don't know if I'm in the camera, but lock your hands, and you need to work out your forearm muscle. So I'm holding tension and I'm pressing with this arm to work that muscle out, and you want to do that 20 to 30 times to fatigue this muscle. And according to the doctor, Calvin Ross is his name, the way that your muscles are designed to work, when you pull back this way and this one tightens up, all the nerve impulses will tell this one to relax. So this one is so tight it's not relaxing, so the benefit is to fatigue this one, tighten this one up, and then these will start relaxing. So I've been starting to do this exercise today, and I can tell you it is already helping. And just with the little bit I've done over the past 2 or 3 days, I've got my arm back. It's not healed, but I'm on my way. So I'm going to continue on doing the entire regimen that he recommends, and hopefully this will help some other folks out as well. I'm trying to pay the knowledge forward because I have watched hundreds of videos with no success. Now my disclaimer is, you know, enter at your own risk. You know, you can hurt yourself. So, you know, just be careful and be safe. But from the first time I did the massage, my pain level was gone by 70%, and I could immediately start using my arm. And over the course of the next 20 or 30 minutes, everything started tightening back up, and I lost the use again. So I massaged it again and then went back at it that way. So, you know, how much you do it, how long you do it, I don't know. I'm just, when it starts hurting, I go ahead and take a few minutes to massage it. It starts feeling better, I move on, so I'm going back and forth. So hopefully this will heal up pretty quick. It's certainly going to be better than nothing because I can actually use my arm again. I find it kind of odd that it's really affecting my right arm because I'm left-handed. However, I'm kind of ambidextrous, and most of what I do is on the right arm. You know, that's where I use my tools and everything. I eat, write, saw, do certain things with my left arm, but predominantly I use my right arm, which is, and guess why, I have the pain over here. So I'm trying to keep this short and quick. I hope this helps someone in some fashion, and if it does help you out, pay it forward. And I will finish by saying again, anybody coming into this channel making reference to other systems or sites or anything that equates to a dollar mark on the end of it, don't bother. It's not going to make it. Hope this helps in some way, guys. Thanks for watching, and good luck.